Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will take a look at the vacuum cleaner that I recently got from Amazon. It's the BISSELL CrossWave HF2 wet and dry hot floor vacuum cleaner. Before unboxing, here are the product highlights. Simple start with automatic water delivery. It has got two separate tanks, one for clear and other for collecting dirty water. Easy to use and maneuver around the floor, and finally automatic self-cleaning. Apart from that, this device is corded, so which means it is not battery operated. We also get one multi-surface cleaner liquid in the box, and for the warranty it comes with 2 years limited warranty. So for the price of the product is 16,990 INR now. The product link is placed in the description. Please check it out if you are looking to buy it. And for the weight, this product weighs 3.8 kilograms, so almost 4 kg. But doesn't matter since we are not going to lift it and use it while we are using it. And for the dimensions, the product is about 90 centimeters in height, which is 3 feet, and 27 centimeters in length, which is almost a feet. Now that we have seen the highlights, it is time to unbox the product. We get a user manual. So this is the tank we use for clean water. So here is the handle which we need to fit to the machine. So one multi-surface cleaning liquid. The stand where we place the machine, and also we can use this for the self-cleaning or the automatic cleaning purpose. And finally the machine itself. Now let's look at how to assemble the product and start using it. So this is our clean water tank, and its capacity is about approximately 700 ml. Here are some indications for us to use. This is the clean water mark, up to which we can fill warm water. The another mark on top, up to which we can add cleaning formula. And here it says the water can be up to 60 degrees Celsius. Warm water actually gives a better cleaning compared to normal water, so please try to use warm water for better results. On the other side, we have one more indication here. This is for self-cleaning cycle, so make sure you have water at least to this level when the tank is placed upside down like this. So at least we need this much of water for the cleaning cycle. So this is our dirty water collecting tank. Let's see how to remove this. So hold it like this and press the blue area, which pops it out for us. Although it looks tall, there is an indication here saying max. So this is the level up to which you can allow the machine to collect wastewater, after which you have to empty it to use it again. And on this side we have a few more indications. One is for the user manual, and second one is for cleaning. So we could remove the top here like this, and also we could remove the filter out. So this makes it easier for us to clean the parts, especially these will get dirty once we start cleaning. So all of this can be washed with warm water. Once we wash it all, we have to allow it to dry for about 24 hours or until it is all dried before our next usage. So let's see how to put it back. And that's it. Now above the brush down here, first we need to remove this lid. That's it. And now the brush. That's it. The brush really looks of premium quality. The material here looks like microfiber. Though it is soft, it still feels sturdy enough. So this ensures a good clean for the surface. We will soon look at that as well. So even the cord actually feels very heavy and definitely of heavy duty grade. According to BISSELL website, the length of this cord is 7.5 meters, which is approximately 25 feet in length. So which is pretty decent. To talk about the machine, it is actually powered by a 400 watt powerful motor, which gives it a good suction power. So it ensures that you not only mop the floor but also vacuum it as you go. So here are a couple of buttons. First one, the power button to use it in the regular mode. Next is the button to start the self-cleaning cycle. For the self-cleaning cycle, we have to place our machine in the stand given with it. If not, it won't work. With that all said, let's start with our actual demo of the product. Now let's fit the handle. You must hear a click sound and you are done. Next is to fill the water and the solution in our clean water tank. Let's fix the tank to the back here. That's it. We are ready to mop the floor now. Let's turn the machine on and see it in action. Now that is some impressive cleaning. Here is a quick view on the collected wastewater. Here is how it looks after cleaning the entire house. Now let's take a look at the self-cleaning cycle. Here is how much water I have in the clean water tank. Now let's turn on the cleaning cycle. That's it. Once the cycle is complete, the wastewater gets collected. And that's pretty much about the product. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons from my experience. For the pros, vacuuming and mopping in one go. 2-tank system, fresh and dirty water remains separate, so you are always cleaning with clean water. Automatic formula dispensing, so releases the right amount of cleaning solution without holding a trigger, streamlining the process. Self-cleaning cycle. For the cons, limited corners reach. The brush is not edge to edge, so a little area on the corner is not covered. Corded only. Since it is not battery operated, some might feel it a little inconvenient to handle. Regular cleaning and maintenance involved. You will have to clean out the brush roll and the disposal tank after every use. No vacuum only mode, so it always works on mop and vac mode, which is basically the wet mode, and no dry mode is available. My thoughts about the product, it really makes the mopping easier and quicker, and it is very effective too. I have been using it on a weekly basis and I find it much convenient as well. With that said, we come to the end of this video. Hope this was useful and informational, and hope it gave you some idea about the product if you are planning to purchase it or even a similar product. Catch you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.